Hi there. What's your name?
My name's Daniel.
Nice to meet you, Daniel. Where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
Oh, that's interesting. What do you do for work?
I work as a graphic designer.
That sounds creative. Do you enjoy sports?
Yes, I'm a big basketball fan.
Do you play basketball yourself?
Sometimes, but mostly I watch games on TV.
Can you speak any other languages?
Yes, I speak French.
That's great. Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one younger sister.
What's your favorite season?
I think I like spring the most
Why spring?
because the weather is warm and the flowers start to bloom.
And what about cooking? Do you like to cook?
Yes, I really enjoy cooking.
What's your favorite dish to make?
Probably pasta with a homemade sauce.
Do you enjoy reading as well?
Yes, I love reading mystery novels.
Sounds like you have a lot of hobbies.
Yes, I like to keep life interesting.
Do you like traveling?
Yeah, I love visiting new countries and trying different foods.
What's the most interesting place you've been to?
I think Japan, the culture and the scenery were amazing.
Do you prefer the mountains or the beach?
I like the beach. I enjoy relaxing by the ocean.
How do you usually spend your weekends?
I usually meet friends, go for a walk, and sometimes watch movies.
Do you have a favorite movie or series?
Yes, I really enjoy adventure and mystery series.
That sounds fun. Do you like trying new hobbies?
Yes, I'm always curious to learn something new.
It seems like you have a very active and interesting life.
Yes, I try to make every day enjoyable.